goes, leapt from the minaret of the court of a mosque in the year 852 and suffered only minor injuries. So why is Leonardo remembered as the inventor of the parachute?
Nel Codice Atlantico si vede il paracadute.
In the Codex Atlanticus notebook, we find Leonardo's parachute, but we know it's not really his invention. Leonardo copied it from Taccola and took inspiration from him.
Che scrive che il materiale.
The most incredible thing is that Leonardo is the first to write about the material needed to make this object. Cloth made of waxed flax, so that the air doesn't come through and it becomes waterproof, like the feathers of birds.
Le piume degli uccelli. Ma
for the first time, he describes how this object has to be built. He's the only one to think about the dimensions. There's another interesting thing on this other part of the sheet. We find a lot more subjects. Leonardo wrote many pages about how to build a flying machine, and here we find 5 or 6 examples of them. In these small sketches, Leonardo shows himself as more than an artist or some insane inventor. For the first time, we see Leonardo da Vinci the scientist, and this is really amazing.
Leonardo copied dozens of Taccola's inventions. The screw pump, a device to raise water. The life preserver, adapted by Taccola to float armored knights across rivers. And the snorkel. Though Leonardo's version is more developed, with floaters to ensure airflow and valves to counter water pressure. He relies on science, Taccola on fantasy. Taccola died the year Leonardo was born, but he cast a long